Hi guys, I'm going to do an eyeliner tutorial. You guys are going to look like the baddest Kuttis in the game. I'm starting out with prepped eyes using Hauslabs eyeliner in Punk. First, we're going to pray to the eyeliner gods because it's always hard to do eyeliner. Oh my god, hi, let me be stioniach. Hell no. Anyway, start out with your natural line, just following your bottom lash. And then bring it down while looking down just like that. That is the key. This eyeliner is so good, guys. I learned how to do eyeliner with this eyeliner. Fill it in. Make sure it's even, stamp on the lash, and then make it smooth depending on how long you want it, how thick you want it. I'm doing a medium look. This is a macro thing. Press and drag. I learned it when I was working for MAC, and then you can clean it up with a concealer and the way you want it. This technique is so amazing. It'll take you a couple tries, but you will definitely, once you have it down, you have it down. Now we got to do it on the other side. So back to praying. Oh my god, I got it right on the first try. I was really excited. Here I'm looking at it, seeing if it's even. I'm actually kind of excited because it's a look, honey. This is the best I'll do. I'm gonna stop right there and then do the inner corner. This is actually a really important part. Gel liner is very important to tight line. Then mascara, I'm using Benefit. And then Copycat by Mona Labelle, my favorite lash. It gives me that Barbie doll look. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to know more, let me know. Wow, I look so cute. All right, baddest Kuttis. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.